In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the board owner on Monday.com. Whether you're managing a team or organizing a project, properly setting and updating board ownership is essential for seamless workflow and accountability. Now, let's dive in and walk through each step so you can complete this change effortlessly. First, you'll want to go to your workspace on Monday.com. If you're not already logged in, make sure to enter your credentials and access your account. Once you're in your dashboard, you'll see a list of your workspaces. Navigate to the one that contains the board you want to modify. Within your workspace, the next task is to choose the board where you want to change the owner. Take a moment to scan through the boards displayed. If you're managing a large number of boards, you might find it helpful to use the search bar at the top to locate your specific board more quickly. Once you've found the right board, the next step is to click on the Down button. This button is located at the top right corner of your board interface. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu, which provides various options related to board settings and management. From this drop-down, you'll want to select the option labeled Owner. This option allows you to control and modify the ownership of the board. It's crucial to ensure that the right individual manages the board, especially if there have been changes in roles within your team or organization. After selecting the Owner option, a new field will appear where you can search for the name or email address of the person you wish to invite as the new board owner. Simply start typing the name or email address, and Monday.com will generate suggestions based on your input. Once you see the correct person, go ahead and select them. Now, to remove the current owner, click on the crown icon next to their name. This action will strip the existing owner of their board ownership rights. Don't worry, this doesn't remove them from the board completely. It just changes their role to a non-owner status. It's essential to keep in mind who needs ownership rights to ensure all board updates and management tasks are handled correctly. Finally, complete the process by clicking on the name of the new owner. This will officially transfer board ownership to the selected individual. Make sure to communicate with them if necessary to confirm they're aware of their new responsibilities regarding the board's management. And there you have it. A straightforward way to switch board ownership on Monday.com. By following these steps, you can easily manage and adjust roles within your team, keeping your boards organized and your projects moving forward smoothly. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips on using Monday.com effectively.